today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Instagram app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on notifications. So then you just click here on posts and stories and comments here. Just click on it. Then you just go down here. So you keep going down here until you will find here add to posts ambitions here. Click on, just click here. So then it's going to enable with you here add to posts ambitions. It's enabled with us now here on your Instagram app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.